Solutions for Earth has 4 divisions servicing the agriculture, horticulture, sports turf, and the lagoon remediation industries. Solutions for Earth develops, manufactures, and distributes environmentally sound products which are geared towards maximizing a plant's potential by improving the environment in which they are used. Our product lines are currently used on tree orchards, over 50 other row crops, as well as dairy and hog farms, championship golf courses, university and professional sports stadium turf fields, and recreational parks. Our products have proven successful in Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Panama, and all across the U.S. Our production facility is located here in Grace, Idaho. Enviro Lagoon is an eco-friendly liquid additive used in the breakdown of the anaerobic and toxic conditions that exist in most remediation ponds and lagoons. Enviro Lagoon introduces a unique blend of task-specific microorganisms, enzymes, and nutrients crucial to promoting the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria. These specific microorganisms, while digesting the organic material in the lagoon, continues to break down the other bacteria killers used in teat dips, foot baths, and disinfectants and soaps used on a dairy operation. Enviro Lagoon is specifically formulated to address many of these aspects of a dairy operation. This innovative product is formulated to perform in all weather conditions, with or without the aeration or other oxygen supplements. Our oxygen sources and carbon to nitrogen balance are essential characteristics in our ingenious approach that differs from all other traditional lagoon additives. There are a number of different chemicals used on a dairy farm that add to the odor and anaerobic conditions of a lagoon. 2 to 3 times a week, cows are walked through a foot bath containing several chemicals such as copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, and formaldehyde. These are non-selective bacteria killers. Iodine treatments are used for cleaning teats. This also kills all bacteria, beneficial or not. Next, you have pipe cleaners and disinfectants and soaps used in cleaning the milk parlor operation. The wash alleys also have different corrosive products such as muriatic and sulfuric acids, which also kills beneficial bacteria. While all these products are essential to the dairy's daily operation, they all add to the toxic levels of the lagoon liquid. Liquid pumped from the lagoon in this unbalanced state creates more salts, toxins, and anaerobic bacteria, which in turn harm the crops and cause poor field soil conditions. Lagoon liquid starts to pool, and penetration now takes more time and multiple field locations to utilize the stored lagoon liquid. Manure in this type of system starts to build up solids at a very fast pace, leaving behind tons of unusable farm nutrients in your lagoon. The dairy's environment, day-to-day operations, and ecological system has been damaged by these bacteria-avoiding contaminants, affecting animal, plant, and human life. Many dairies are still employing non-functioning anaerobic systems. These systems have expensive upfront costs and still don't address the salts, toxins, and solids left in the bottom of the lagoons. Data shows land applications of waste from an anaerobic system can result in crop damage because of salt layers building up in the soil. Solutions for Earth, the manufacturer of Enviro Lagoon, has conducted over 5 years of thorough testing and data sampling across the U.S. Results gathered clearly show positive results in the digestion of solids in lined lagoons, earth lagoons, above-ground storage, and deep pits. Solutions for Earth can randomly collect liquid and sludge samples to identify through analytical data the quality of stored nutrient values in the lagoon. Here are a few example tests taken from various operations, which can be verified and gathered for quantifying the efficacy of Enviro Lagoon. Solutions for Earth has identified 5 parameters that are required to treat and balance a lagoon. Number 1. The supplemental bacteria contained in Enviro Lagoon, as well as the natural biological generated by the dairy operation, creates an extremely active biological condition. Number 2 is oxygen from the lagoon surface and air benefit Enviro Lagoon once the activity in the lagoon starts. Number 3 is food energy provided by Enviro Lagoon from its energized carbon technology, coupled with the natural biologics from the operation, provides an additional energy food source for the microorganisms. Number 4, Chemical energy is a critical component provided by Enviro Lagoon to assist in the breakdown of all the bacteria killers associated with the foot baths, teat dips, soaps, disinfectants, and alley cleaners. Number 5 is water. Although not present in the Enviro Lagoon product, water provided by the daily operation functions is enough to activate and transport Enviro Lagoon throughout the dairy as an energized liquid. The recommended Enviro Lagoon rate of application for startup is approximately 24 gallons per 1,000 animal units for the first 2 weeks and 16 gallons per 1,000 animal units for weeks 3 and 4. The recommended maintenance program, once stabilized, is approximately 8 gallons per week per 1,000 animal units. The animal populations, in addition to the amount of solids and toxins which flow into the lagoon, have been taken into consideration for the weekly applications of Enviro Lagoon. When Enviro Lagoon is added, it starts to break down all of these toxic contaminants by adding beneficial microorganisms, enzymes, and nutrients to balance the lagoon. As aerobic bacteria begin to multiply, they become very aggressive, consuming the energy and oxygen that is enhanced by Enviro Lagoon. Now energized, these bacteria begin to build aerobic colonies able to lift large plumes of organic material. Bubbles begin to appear composed of air, water, and carbon dioxide. In a lot of cases, large plumes of solids start floating to the top of the lagoon surface. The carbon dioxide released in this process has no odor and has no affinity for hydrogen sulfides, the carrier of bad odor. Enviro Lagoon starts to reduce odor dramatically within the first month in most cases, and up to a 30% reduction in solids within the first few months. Aerobic bacteria are able to multiply and digest solids at an astronomical rate due to the increased availability of oxygen and energy. The digestion of solids now increases the capacity of the lagoon, thus reducing the need for expensive mechanical dredging or the construction of new secondary lagoons. Plant samples have shown a positive impact on crop production due to better penetration in the soil from the Enviro Lagoon liquid treated field applications. The results of Enviro Lagoon treated liquid is a well-balanced pH capable of delivering improved amounts of usable plant nutrients to the farm crops. Picture your lagoon just like your farm ground, where the bacteria is breaking down and processing soil nutrients. By adding Enviro Lagoon to your program, you help accelerate the process in the same manner. Many dairy operations that have flush systems have seen dramatic improvements from the use of Enviro Lagoon. Hoof tissues, slimy conditions, and animal slippage have been greatly improved with this product application. Enviro Lagoon has been shown to be a convenient and non-hazardous product, safe for all animals and personnel. Aerobic digestion of solids also thins out the lagoon liquid, allowing manure separators to work more efficiently. The manure separators experience less buildup over long periods of time, freeing up much of the needed labor for other facets of the operation. Sand separators as well benefit from the thinning of the lagoon liquid, allowing for a much cleaner and reusable product. In short, by implementing Enviro Lagoon, you will reduce the solids, increase storage capacity, and reduce odor throughout the entire dairy operation. This Dairy Nutrient Cycle program has been brought to you by Solutions for Earth.